Let's meet Mr. John. A few days ago, his Samsung phone's screen became scratched. After falling from the hand, his phone became unresponsive. Facing this kind of scenario, Mr. John just felt puzzled and looked for the solution. At that moment, his friend had suggested to him for iTech Xpress. iTech Xpress provides Samsung phone repair services. The company offers top-quality diagnostics and repair service. iTech Xpress is a leading company that offers the best service for your computer, Samsung Galaxy phones, and iPhone and Apple devices. Know more in detail about their services from iTechExpressIncorporated.com. Are you looking for the same? Then make a contact with professionals at 626-777-4747.